Jonge. So here we are in Wadden in Netherlands. A lot have happened along the way. We were living in Germany. That was right after we were in Cuxhaven. We went to Cuxhaven.
We did. We stayed there for a little while.
We flew with the drones. It was winter. We didn't have so much to do. We went on to Wilhelmshaven and Hookseal when we came in the lock to Hookseal. It was really nice.
Yeah, it was nice.
And we needed to stay and work there for a while. Oscar worked as a sailmaker and me as a hairdresser. We made a ton of new friends there. I learned to mix, to DJ.
And we had some parties on the beach where you work.
Which we now do, apparently.
So here we are, back on the road again, Hexagone sailing. We are just now leaving Hookseal, heading towards the Sluice. That's why the engine is so loud. We're a little bit stressed. Like always, we have 7 minutes to make the Sluice and you don't really see it yet, so we're not really sure.
Always on time.
Yeah, always on time. It's like the Amazon River around here. As you probably can notice, we got ourselves a GoPro. That's pretty good. So stay tuned and we'll rock on. Hey! Last time we tried to lead, it didn't go too well. We're giving it another go, but as you can see, we got a little help this time. And the view is not bad though. The view is really nice. Look at that view. There's Vangeroog, where we're passing and heading towards Spikeroog. As you can see, Bob is enjoying the ride pretty much. Nicht schlecht. Good wind, I would say 8-9 knots maybe. 18-19 degrees, a little bit sun, a little bit cloudy. Yeah, right now life is good. What sagst du?
We have seen a lot of sea lions, seals.
Yeah.
Not sea lions, seals.
To be honest, I don't really know the difference. Maybe you do, but... Seehund sagt them here.
Today we're sailing on the North Sea. Over 7 knots. It's a beautiful day for sailing. We had a little problem with the engine. We solved it, as always. And now we have perfect sailing.
So here we are, Spikeroog. And we're going to have some dinner with my old boss, which we met here. It was a pretty eventful sailing. We hit the what? Outside here, and luckily we got out. The sailing was amazing. We have just come back from dinner and we're a little bit shocked. We didn't realize this is what we came back to. No water. It's completely empty. As you can see here, we got in just in time. You can see the tracks from our keel heading into our boat. And as you can see, it's a pretty tight fit. We're not going anywhere for at least a day. Now we're going to watch that.
The sunset.
The sunset.
Mwah.
This is where we sailed before. Now it's not very sailable. Amazing. Spikkeroog.
It's like alien landscape. So sick, no water. And we came here with the boat.
Bob has found a melon.
Oh,
He's very
nice.
happy.
He loves Spikkeroog.